Welcome. Today we're going to explore how to enable the desktop site on Google Chrome. This is a handy feature that allows you to view websites as they would appear on a desktop computer, giving you access to full functionality, especially for sites that are less user-friendly on mobile devices. Let's dive into the steps. First, grab your mobile device and open the Chrome browser. If you haven't already installed it, you can find it in your App Store. Once you have it open, navigate to the specific page you want to view in desktop mode. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for you to choose from. In this menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Desktop Site. You may need to look carefully as it could be towards the bottom of the list. Once you see it, tap the checkbox next to it. This action will instruct Chrome to reload the current page in its desktop format. After selecting this option, give it a moment as the page refreshes. You should now see the website displayed just like it would on a computer screen, with all its features and layout intact. This is particularly useful for accessing content that might be restricted or formatted differently on mobile versions. If at any time you wish to return to the mobile version of the site, simply repeat these steps. Tap on the 3 dots again and uncheck the Desktop Site option. The page will reload back to its mobile format, and there you have it. You've successfully enabled and toggled between desktop and mobile views on Google Chrome. This feature can significantly enhance your browsing experience, especially when dealing with complex websites or services that require more screen space. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy exploring websites in their full desktop glory right from your mobile device.